I've just completed this B-25. This is made from the AZ models kit, which is apparently is the former Italeri kit. A really nice little model. It's a very simple kit to build, no frills, just the way I like them, and the detail is there as well. It's quite an old moulding, but nevertheless it's made into a nice model. There's quite a lot of framework around the cockpit, so if you don't like framework, don't attempt this one. The only problem I had was the guns broke off, the very brittle plastic, but I should probably replace those with something else later on. Really nice colour scheme on this, really interesting markings. I've yet to research it. So there's a legend on the top of the wing there. Transfers, rubbish, absolutely rubbish. Just about salvaged those. I had to coat them twice with 2 coats of overall gloss coat to get onto any thickness. Really thin, badly printed. But I didn't want to lose those particular ones because they're really nice, they are. So they've got a nice B-25 in my collection now. It's a 77 scale. I'd like to build a 48 scale one as well as the 48 scale one I've got my eyes on. A B-25, really good aircraft and well worth modelling. So there we have it then. Former Italeri kit. If you can get the Italeri one, fine. If not, get the A to Z model. Pick them up quite a reasonable price and get yourself a B-25 Mitchell in your collection. Thanks very much for watching.